Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download and play Cities Skylines 2 on your PC or laptop. As you can see, I'm at my Google browser and follow these steps accurately to start playing this game on your PC or laptop today. So for the first step, we will tick in Cities Skylines 2, and after that there will be a lot of options to click on, but we will skip them all. And now you can see the official website of the game maker. We also will skip that website and we will go to the Steam link on top. As you can see, they are showing us a trailer about this game. You can watch it and there is another trailer to watch. I will mute the volume. And after that you can also check out some screenshots about this game. Now read some information on the right side of this page, and after that we have to scroll all the way down to check out the system requirements for this game. If your system does not meet these requirements, then you are not able to play and download this game on your PC or laptop. So make sure you check this out, and after that we can go back up and click on Add to Cart, and now we click on View My Cart. Then we continue to payment, and now you have to log into your Steam account to start downloading and playing this game today. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.